Your childhood is the reason why you don't make as much as you want. Here's why. Our brains, especially during ages 0 to 12, consistently record and shape our beliefs like a sponge. They soak up experiences, forming our core values and perceptions. So childhood memories, especially challenging ones, can create reactions in our adult lives. Let me give you an example. So individuals that were taught early on in their life that money is scarce or hard to get by will most definitely face struggles in their adulthood. Why? Because everything starts from home. So that's how the stage is set. And it goes on and on for years and years like that. Did your parents argue about finances? Was money a reward? These patterns shape how you view and handle your money every day. If you were overlooked as a child or felt you lacked resources, you might strive harder for acknowledgement, fearing financial instability. Now, the amazing thing about this is that we can change this within ourselves, but by identifying these past programs and rewriting them, essentially changing our financial story. This doesn't mean forgetting about our past, but understanding and reshaping it for our bright future. Follow for more career and project management content like this, and check out the link in my bio.